Yeah. Siphethe pro namhlanje.
Okay.
And umba sizoncokola ngawo. I'll introduce it up.
Masale kanje. Mna ngolicala nisuke east but ke ngise west but otherwise it represent the east in the west side. So ke namhlanje not in the Western Cape but no not the west side like but okay in the Western Cape. So ngokusithetha ngomba not amagoli sizawuza komagoli ngokusathetha ngamakapa.
Thixo womjolo, Thixo we serious relationships. Thixo wethu thina abantu balastayo emjolweni. Nanga amakapa Nkosi efuna usithathela abantu bethu. Nanga Nkosi amakapa inboxa abantu bethu besithi baby we can take things slow. Ndicela ucima ezo inboxes Nkosi nezo messages ngerhwatyityi yakho yezulu nescorpion brush sakho sezulu. Nazi ichomi zabantu bethu Nkosi zicebisa abantu bethu rongo.
Yeah, zabo siyakhona.
Amakapa niyasazi isitori samakapa. Festive season ifikile guys.
You namhlanje i-2nd of November. Then next month ke nge-1st nange-2nd of December saba ne-episode serious ke ngoku but ke wona izabe imani ichaphazela nento zamakapa but ngosifuna ukwazi ba ithini into yamakapa.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, masiye. Guys, mna mandizichaze straight up. Ndilikapa ngaqala. Xa ndifika phana ndijonga izikapa because ngihlala ezilalini sihleli up. But now kukho this love hate kind of relationship amakapa ayifumanayo xa siye ezilalini. And amakapa afika anxibe ibhluko zeline nezimhlophe. Sibe thina ezilalini sizinqibele igambuthi zethu sithini. But that is not the problem. Kuba ilantika yethu sithetha ngento ze sagas of couplehood. Amakapa sithathela amacheri. Asiqhela kakubi wona. Asingene phezulu kwakhe.
Okay. Okokuqala masiqale le ndawo ithi yintoni amakapa. Siqale nje kuloo ndawo. Ngoba sikwenza nasizokwazi uzi-identify kamandoni uthi ulikapa. So yintoni eyohlula ikapa no so andifuna uthi nomXhosa because namakapa nawo ngamaXhosa andifuna abantu basemaXhoseni because nalapha ekapa bathetha isiXhosa. So amakapa yintoni ikapa? As best of my knowledge which might be corrected, ikapa ngumuntu ozibona ngoba ubelonga eWestern Cape okanye ke eKapa but
akabelonga eKapa.
Kaloku ndizamuveze yam you can correct it still.
Okay.
Yena ngokolapho uhlobo azibona ngalo ubelonga eWestern eKapa not eWestern Cape eKapa ne
Okay.
Indawo azibiza ba yibase yakhe le. Eastern Cape uyibona kungathi yindawo yovisithela okanye yotyela uDecember not that akakuDecember apha mhlawumbe for holidays. You understand? So ke ngoku xa uzi-identify that your base is here njengoba umuntu uyakwazi ba abe ibase yakhe beseJoburg but umane egoduka ikhaya lakhe yena mhlawumbe lise Eastern Cape but eWestern Cape he comes here only for visiting. You understand? Maybe holidays, maybe there's a wedding or whatever it is. Njengoba nabantu amakapa aya eEastern Cape during the year xa kuthiwa kuyangcwatywa. Fact. Likapa ke. Then ngoDecember uya because of a city ufuna uyotyela uDecember eEastern Cape. But umuntu ke engakalazi igama ezasebenzisa lo wana wase Eastern Cape ke noba kuseQonce noba kuseGcuwa noba kuseBhayi now whatever it is othi yena ungwela cala ngapha uzibiza uba ngowangapha yonke into yakhe yenzela ngoba uyafunda okanye aphangela ukwela cala. But uza eWestern Cape for holidays okanye mhlawumbe ke for that particular event.
Okay.
So ke ndizawuhlula ke ndithi lowo ke ngumkapa.
No, uyabona eligama mina ngokwami kwazi wena tapro. Eligama lithi amakapa ayingobantu abahlala eKapa abazibize bokuba ngamakapa.
Okay.
Qha ke ngoku yi-term that may have been used loosely when it refers to people abafikileyo besuka eKapa.
Okay.
Awulo Kapa nawe ungowapha belonga pha elalini. Qha ke ngoku uhlala ureside eWest eKapa ke ubukhulu becala. Then ke ngoku abantu ilocals ezihlala elalini okanye in the village then they started to call people that came okanye kuthiwe amakapa afikile amakapa ndicela niphakele amakapa manje bengicela nilandike nifunela amakapa indawo zolala kwathini then ke ngo it became
awuvusa amakapa azawukhumsha azathi isibhulu
ungakulike
uyothi mase something
ufunda eUniversity of Cape Town
uyothi mase something yaqonda benzile Mna ke apho ndibona khona is that bakhona abantu xa besuka mhlambi eGoli okanye whatever kwindawo ezingaphandle abe yena ngohlobo lokwenza kwakhe which I'll explain later akabhilongi eGoli okanye eCape Town okanye anywhere uyabona ubhilonga apha ngaba noba xa nifika nina apha emakhaya kusithiwa amakapa mna ndizawuisolate ndibizwe as a local even though ndisebenza nawe eKapa okanye ndihlala nawe eKapa then umzo yena xa efika apha kumelalini okanye phaa kulaa lali yakhe straight yena ubizwa uba liKapa phaa kodwa bakhona abantu asebenza nabo eKapa but abangabizi bangamakapa. So there's a different frequency
okay, that's a good one. But what differentiates between these two people? When do you get to qualify as ubizwa ulikapa?
Siphinde ndibuyele back to explanation yam ithi mna as an individual ndithi ibase yam iseKapa.
Okay.
Noba ndandizalelwe somewhere but my base is in Western Cape.
Okay.
So ke ngo emakhaya ndiza nge-events.
Yeah.
Then ukhona yena ophangela eKapa okanye wento zenza eKapa but eEastern Cape akayi nge-events. Uya whenever they get a chance.
Whenever.
Ngaba ke sidla ngothi ngamagoduka omali lithobile into yes. Ngamagoduka ke ngolawo yes. So xa ulikapa kuzokuzazi ba ibase yam ndinendlu eKapa yekuba yonke but ndinendlu eKapa ngforum yabona xa ndiza kolusa mna ndolusele eKapa okanye ke ndingeze eEastern Cape just ukwelusa gqoba ndinyuse nomntana. Ubangaba mhlawumbe ndizawuthini namhlawumbe whatever not i-event efuneka yenzekile i-ceremony efuneka yenzekile ndiyenzela phaya eEastern Cape otherwise ngapha ndiya only because of that event.
But you make it sound like it's by choice. Sometimes we sihleli apha emakapa ngenxa yemisebenzi.
Some of them is by choice, some of them is not by choice. But you do qualify as eKapa. Okanye as not eKapa as eGoduka.
No. Let's get one thing straight, Dr. Bro.
Okay.
If umuntu engeyo regular ongahlali apha elalini umane ngabikho umane ufike engafiki ufike engafiki loosely uba liKapa.
Okay, ndikuvile ke masibe kolo hlobo. Nyanzi.
But and le term yeKapa ingena xana season ethile.
Yes.
There's umzekelo. I think it's in line with what you were saying. If ndiye ndagoduka ngoMarch ndafika nje lalini akho event yenzekayo akho festive ayonto ndizigodukele chances are slim for me uba ndibizwe ngamakapa.
Of course, yes.
Because it's just me.
Yes.
But when there's an influx, when there's an influx of these people that come from Cape Town, which is a festive season or December, amakapa aba akhona azawufika elandikezi kuthiwa ke ungamcingi umuntu wakho ngo December amakapa yeza
ndisiza kanye kulo point ba masibuyele kula main point ke. The reason yoba ubizwe ngoba ulikapa most of the times it's not because of how long you've been away from the village. It is how you present yourself when you get there. Awufika phaya igambutsa ufuna uzinxiba because ulikapa. Xa uthe makuhlinzwe nansi inkomo siqhele eKapa. You understand? Inyama siyithenga estendini. Every time abantu besenza izinto wena you already de-isolated yourself from that kind of life. Now you've inhabited yes. Ebeqhela ukukhapha igusha ngokuthi amagusha. You understand? So xa uyakwazi uzisusa uyakwazi uba mnolani. Uyakwazi uba ngumXhosa or from somewhere else. But you can transition njengomuntu ekwazi ukukhula engumXhosa dudu awuthi ngurasta okanye dudu kuthiwa let's say uZCC yes. So this thing of iKapa is actually a lifestyle that we have adopted.
Okay, that's it. That's a fresh one. That's a fresh one.
So xa ufika ke ngoku emakhaya mna umzo ndiyamazi ba umzo unkosikazi wakhe lo okanye umzo ujolwa nabani yaqona. So ndiyafika mna so eGauteng okanye eDurban I won't touch that because there's that thing called Bro Code. I won't touch that because I know the guy.
Sure.
But the same person ndiyamazi umzo ba unkosikazi wakhe okanye icheri yakhe but because I'm from Cape Town ndiboleke imali kwamatshonisa whatever it is ndaboleka ifoni ebholwayo somewhere I don't even know how to use it but ndiyoxhoma eEastern Cape ndifike ke ngoku ndizipresente as iKapa ke. iKapa is more like of course kuna kwezinye indawo ezabiza different but it's more like a person that is visiting that particular community but not with intentions of building it but to harvest anything that's in there to benefit him for that moment regardless of the impact that's going to do.
But I don't think everyone subscribe to that. Omnye we are go to genuinely because kuko wabe lali.
Yes. Makes sense?
Because ngapha kuDecember sizawugoduka siye phana, but ngenxa yoba ngaba ndihlala eKapa, I'm used to doing things a certain way, and ndinxiba into ezithile, ndifaka shades xa ilanga. Omnye umuntu eza shades ndizifakayo ubone ngathi iyachwenza le chef ise stylini, mhlawumbe ifakela for a reason, but apho ndizama khona ndizama ukuthi sometimes you are not only there to benefit to
harvest
yes kuko wenu pha
ndiyakuva tamzona, but important endifuna uyidriver is that when you get there, the way you present yourself to your kind, njengoba usithi when I was away from home ababengandazi nginxiba ishades endinqini yayikho, ndafika eCape Town ndanxiba ishades, then xa ndifike elalini I'm bringing those shades back, but now I know abantu bakuthi bacinga kanjani, ndikhule nabo aba bantu. I'm not introducing this thing in a conducive way that will make them understand that now I have changed. So lendo change is another lifestyle that you have inhabited or you've learned. You understand? So at the end of the day, you're no longer the same person as that one. We cannot give you the same respect. I'm not saying we're gonna give you less or more, but it's gonna be different. We cannot look at you the same way. Same as you don't look at the environment or the people around you the same way. So we also have to change. So therefore, also change again our behavior as somebody whose base is in Western Cape. We westernized you. And say you're from Western Cape.
All right. Yeah. Let's further complicate it. Must use volume. Ingaba iKapa. iKapa liyakwazi uba umuntu obhinqileyo, iKapa liyakwazi uba umuntu oyindoda.
Yes.
All right.
That part is true. Yes.
That part is true.
But mandibiza by offense. The offense of the female and the male is they offend, they behave differently. However, driving the same the same mission. Umzo usuka eWestern Cape, so simbiza ngwale Kapa. Umzo there is there to show off with a new watch, with a new iPhone that he
show off. Why do you say people are there to show off?
You show off when you have to buy things to impress certain people.
No, these are not impressing people. These are things that you own. From where you come from.
But the Kapas I know, most of them they Cape Town. They don't own those things when I'm staying with them here.
Okay.
But class go together, they own things that are different. They even mentioned, I remember the other guy in the Pege Town, the Amana Bandu and Coscars, Tibana town, but then when Tibana a town, Hamba Nabanya we gave fit money, they need to come and she would Cape Town, Bonimo fresh. I know this guy doesn't have a car. I know where he stays. But now I have to keep up with what he's saying. So that it's not like I have to defend my fellow, if you get what I mean. So, Cape Town, you will notice that most people Eastern Cape, but the phone for 200 don't do.
Okay.
But class big Eastern Cape they have to hire a phone from someone.
So you don't
yes, so that's the Kapa I'm looking at. I'm not saying Bonga Baro.
I have a different take on that.
Okay, I'm listening.
And from Kutubayo Chrome, Tina Ndlonyama, unfortunately, we are slaves of lobbying for your respect.
Yes.
A number of times. And we always want to be respected. Maybe so and so wasn't like this before.
Yes.
They noticed, but hey, akufike utapro up, efike pete ilandika, epete enxibe ilandika. We are respect. Now I must do some of the things to get to that respect, to get to that. What I'm trying to say in a nutshell, not everyone is doing that thing for the sake of good, but for the sake of the advantage.
That one I agree 110%.
Okay.
But I'm trying to divide them in pieces. That there are those that are doing this, there are those that are doing this. However, the goal at the end of the day is the same thing of my status has to be here. You understand?
Okay.
But
your status to get what?
For the same thing, respect at the end of the day. However, Abanye they do afford that kind of life. Okay. I'm not saying Abanye Bahlali is Abanye Bahlali is okay, but last week Makaya I said this is not Yakon Nakamik Fortena up on the coin for the Kanduamlungo Bastion.
Yeah.
Then at the fort of Talakon. You understand? So now I'm living a lie. However, irrespective yako when we shall suburbs for real in Cape Town, and in Classic Eastern Cape, we're gonna get the same treatment.
Okay.
So Kwatina, we're already divided before we can go home. As Amagaba, understand? But where I'm going to is that Ikapa, yi-lifestyle that you have oyifumeneyo on the long run when uyosebenza kuloo ndawo okanye uyofunda. Then xa ubuya ke ngokwelicala uyabazi abantu okhula nabo abacinga kanjani. Yintoni le nto uza xa ufika emakhaya ungakwazi uhlahlela igusha uqhela ixhela apha elalini? Ndizumzekelo. Yintoni le nto ungenawuncedisa xa kuthutha izitulo zifakwe ententeni uzawunxiba ibhukhi emfutshane epitsayo encinci neskipa esithe nca ubambe ifowuni enkulu uyoma ecaleni kwemoto ehayarishileyo. Andithi you shouldn't hire those things. All of those are good. But what I'm trying to say is that I already know you mzo. Ndidla xa ngixhela igusha but ndingabuzi uba yintoni ndithi mzo bamba ngapha behlenza umzongo wakho umgca ngapha nam bendihlenza ngapha. But now you're from Cape Town. You don't know how to do that. But uyangixela ubuqhele kapa waqhubula
ndinxibe ibhlukhwe eline nekhavela.
Uyayazi sizohlinza ebuhlanti. Why are you bringing those things there? Yile nto ke ngosiya sikubiza uba ulikapa. Usimoshe ke ngoku to the topic that we coming to. Into yoba xa befika emakhaya basithathele indondo osisi okanye osisi basithathele obhuti.
Yeah.
I-problem is not that bonke bazosithathela abantu okanye bonke bazosithathela onatsika whatever it is. It's because of bona aba bathile bafikileyo baye bafike bapeyinte nabangakafiki that this is what we are expecting from them when they come back. But kwaxesha izayo iteksi pha xa behlikayo kukho kade sehlika eteksini utsibe wako ngabe mbambe isandla uba ufikile but khona ezinye ufuna uqala I need to wait and see, are you going to be speaking English now or are you going to be switching to Xhosa as normal, or which Xhosa now, because there's also a Western Cape Xhosa and the Eastern Cape Xhosa. I mean, can I still call it? Because I'm not sure of you, but that guy, I know him even in Obaka. You understand? So this thing of ikapa is a lifestyle. The same as you need to know by income cycle. So this is a Babylon, this is a don't. First teach us first. And let us see the light that you have seen. Don't come here and tell us to stop doing this thing. Okay, now you're talking about vegan is life. No. We know those things. But how was it introduced to you? Don't eat this thing is wrong. That's what you're doing. So now to be out of the circle of ikapa, first get into our level, the same level that we know that you were in. We know that you were.
Yeah.
And then you explain to that level. How about you change this thing? That's how you change the culture. Otherwise, when you force me to change my culture, I'm going to defend it. And we're going to end up fighting.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Because now you're defending something that you don't know, that you've inherited. Now the culture that I'm using, I'm also inherited from the people that were there before.
Well, it's impossible.
Yeah.
Okay. Just to contextualize this, it's impossible to come and stay in Cape Town for so long and not have some of the popular culture that is in the Western Cape not to run into you.
No, fact.
And then you are going to lose some of the things
that you
came with.
Fact.
Here in Cape Town. Fact, yes. Right? And also the same way, a person that comes from Cape Town, uza with all of that lifestyle
yasemakhaya
uvuka ngo-6 wasekuseni wenza ntontoni akayiqheli lifestyle intsha. So let's not be too harsh on amakapa. I like the way you're saying that it is a lifestyle.
Yes.
You understand? So when you say it's a lifestyle, you are used to the way of how things are working, where you come from.
Yes.
And then when you come in here, people become envious of you.
Yes.
And now that is where the problem lies. When people become so envious of you, yes. You're selling. Yeah, I'm a man now. This is nice. The spotlight is on me. The spotlight is on me. And then when you have that spotlight, how you use that spotlight, that is where the problem becomes.
What information do they possess? Because you know them, you were them.
Yeah,
you're part of them. The problem abifika konba ndifika ne-information entsha, ne-lifestyle entsha, and then xa ndifika ngayo ndifika ndiyimpose kuni as fighting the one that you already have. So now what are you telling me uba mandibehave njani? Because lena uza nayo, I don't know it yet. You understand? I'm not used to it yet. I'm not even sure whether it's going to last, like endurance.
Yeah.
But you are already saying, I must let go of this one and get the one that you've got. And then when now You understand? So the problem, the problem is that the way that you are because every time you travel, I always advise people to travel because it's true. Traveling broadens the minds.
Yeah.
That's a fact.
Yeah.
You understand? And it makes you understand and adopt and also accept other people. So I'm not fighting it. The only problem I've got is that when you come back home, ubazi abantu bakho behave njani, and then how do they think? What are their customs? What are the things that they value most? What are the things that they don't like? You come in knowing that the information you have is not going to be accepted well, but you force it to come in well. Problem is a straight. You are an enlightened individual. Don't come here and tell me that I am blind. Show me the light. You understand?
I got you.
Yes.
So
masiye ke ngoku le ndawo ithi xa befika emakhaya benzani koosisi okanye oobsisi koobhuti because bakhona oosisi abaya koobhuti.
Masiye ngohlobo. Manimpeynteleni iscenario ne.
Okay, listen.
Nankuya uSinazo pha. Ubhizi uthandana noZukusani ohlala phela eZantsi elalini. Ohlala phela eZantsi elalini owelusayo. Things are all good. During the time, during the year, they are doing this.
Until December comes.
And now comes December. And then afika December, kufika amakapa ezotya imali, abonasile amakapa,
aboleke
imali amakapa, amanye askeme abantu imali, amanye abaleke nemali zemigalelo.
Yes. But they've got money. That's all we say.
But the bottom line is that they've got money, they've got style, they've got this thing that is being envied by people there.
Yes.
Then ucinga ke ngoku uSinazo uzabe wena nolantika noZukusani abevile bakaba nakho kugcwele kambona kukho event Christmas all white kuthiwa amakapa akhona and amakapa kuthiwa apparently enza kakhulu amakapa ankala
for that 2 weeks
uSinazo uzaba pha
and uSinazo ayiqala imali ngaka
sometimes ikapa labantu shem nje linokubela.
Yes.
Like by nature, but I don't want and sebenzisa incwaso andinqwasanga andithenanga qha abantu ngihleli nabo. Okay, if kuzoba mnandi let's be cool people. uSinazo aqonda ngaba no man uzawabekhe wayolandika uzawuvuka amaheyu pha
and pha kukho webhisi kukho webhisi like say.
So this is the crux of our argument. We are arguing that is this maybe a question that I need to ask? Is this wrong? Is Snazo working for her brighter future by aqomba ngaba makame ngokulunisa phela ndibane naye ngoJanuary?
Let me change the menu.
Aqomba nali kapha lenza izinto zenzeka.
I might get certain things that I'm not.
Uzaqomba inhloko uZukusani ngapha.
Okay. Andifuna iphendule.
Okay.
Awaqala ubukele nawe ngakucomment uthi is Snazo wrong? Sisebenzisa igama Snazo. UbunguSnazo now, I'm sorry, but you just chose the name. Snazo, is she wrong for moving to the Kapa guys and leave Zukisane behind? Or Zukisane, is he wrong to leave Snazo and get Unambita that comes from Cape Town somewhere? That's the question. However, we are going to pendulum umbuzo.
Okay.
Snazo, 99.9% according to me, not according to you, according to me, she is wrong. Same as Zukisane, he is wrong. Because during the year, this person has been good to you until the new menu comes. Isixhosa sithi ungalahli imbo yakho ngophoyiyane. That's where it happens. Because now
uSnazo lahla imbo.
If nguSnazo umuvayo ayo alaqala eqikapa, or if nguZukisane obalekayo leqikapa shiya uSnazo. And eyazi about the festive season is only 2 weeks. Like for our 3 weeks, so that's my argument.
You got a point.
You understand? Because we are asked, but this kappa is not going to take you to Cape Town. This kappa is going to leave.
Who knows? Who knows what the possibilities are?
Let's say ubuyaz ba uyamthanda uZukisane. And he has asked about El Kappa because maxesha amaninzi especially females it's different because if female akadli ngokwehla kakhulu kumuntu anganathanda kuye.
Okay.
Akafani nathi.
Okay.
So xa isiya phaya kwela Kapa uyazazi already that this is temporary. Akafani nawe when you don't know in most cases. You understand? And sometimes when you say this is not temporary, this is permanent, sometimes you're wrong most cases. And sometimes when you say it is not permanent, it's actually permanent. So you and I are different. The Snazos, meaning the females on the other side, bona, they've got that extra sense to know that this is temporal or not temporal.
Yeah.
So why are you temporary? Especially if Zukisane was good during the whole year.
Okay.
He was not a bad fella.
I gotta come to you. I gotta come to you harshly and strongly right now.
Good.
So you are trying to say that El Kapa Lifigileyo is not an upgrade to Usnazo. Okanye lo Yolanda ufigile apha elalini is not an upgrade to uZukisane. Aqomba magame anyways besithandana kuba sindanike nansi yona type yami man.
Ubhuti lo osuke eKapa ifana ne-hired car. UZukisane lowana is your actual scooter that you are using, that you know that it belongs to you.
Okay.
So you need to know if you are upgrading, you are permanently upgrading. It's very wrong to upgrade and knowing that you are hiring. And then, because in this one, when you come back, things are not going to be the same with you and Zukisane.
The computer iyakwazi ubuyela ku default settings.
Iyabuyela ku default settings, but it loses all the softwares. Now you need to reinstall, and some of them you've lost them. You understand? So it will never be the same. You understand? So if we are asked about Zukisane is a good guy, but let's put the money aside. If Zukisane is a good fella, there is no point of you upgrading. Look, knowing that there's a difference. If you know that you were not sure about Zukisane, but now there's this new menu on the table, sure, by all means. But if you ask about where you basically why are you going there? No, because out of all this,
sometimes awuthandani nomzo utyimali qha kamzo.
You know that you don't want them so.
Awuzumngenisa cookie jar.
Then if I was ungenisa kuyo, andifuna iveza lento ndithi ngathi defender gender based violence.
Okay.
But ezinye ze gender based violence zizalwa yila point of using a person. Because a male, when a female uses a male, for the first few times, they're never aware, even if it's so clear. Especially if they're getting what they want. They don't care. But after some time, then they start to see, especially when you start giving the thing that you're supposed to be giving as a female. They start to say, okay, so and so is using me. And then, now how do I make sure that she pays back what I've already invested to that person? And then we figure a point where they start to demand things to compensate themselves. And then those things are not met. Then violence comes in. Because some men are not mentally smart enough to know that now I'm being wrong by resulting into violence. They feel like they've been pushed to do this thing. It's not all men are violent. Yeah. But some men that actually beat females, it's because of they were cornered and they do not have enough information or kind of intelligence to identify the main problem.
You know, Tapro, the other issue, I hear you, and you got points. The other issue that we may need to visit is that the festive season time, especially during December, which is just coming now, is not a time where people concentrate so much on relationships.
Of course, yes.
Kumchato ngapha, igidi ngapha, into ethile ngapha.
Divorce in February, not now.
Yeah.
Because divorce December.
Akhomdu hoye omnye apha. So this thing kasinazo uyambona bangaba ubusy usebakhwetheni ulandika usukisana ngapha uthini kubusy kuyaphithizela akana chance eligapha lifikile lamnika yona attention akazange ngakhanga ifumane during this festive season and plus linemali number 2 and then uthi ke ngumntana abantu makangayi embrace lo nyweba le injalo all in the name of a relationship naye noZukisane angayaziyo noba izawulasta na.
Problem yam apha bamandithi maka urongo usinazo okanye uZukisane xa baleka neKapa is that sometimes we don't look ahead and see what we really want or what picture we're trying to paint.
What if she does not want Zukisane? Zukisane was just a consolation price simply because I need to choose from what's available.
I'm lucky that I've got boys, girls. So when I speak, I don't speak and favor one side. I have to favor all sides. Yeah. You understand? So I've got Amanto Mazanamabin, I've got Demakwengo Mabin. So you can't say I'm biased. And I'll become a movie for the Amad. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is that if you are penalizing a female, punishment is the same as a male. You understand? So up on the economy, if you know that you don't have a future plan with Zukisane, make it clear. Because Zukisane emotionally is investing a lot of things. This is what I was talking about, the dive. Yes. Why don't you tell him, Buti, I'm only here for this. Otherwise, I'm still searching. Because uzokusana number in his head might have a different story, the different outcome. And then upon the corner, upon the madam so upon
Umuntu is stuck with what they have because they don't have access to anything better.
But if I know that this is not,
if something better comes,
yeah,
that you didn't even see, you didn't even plan.
Yeah.
When you find a faster, reliable car than the one that you have,
I'm not gonna just abandon that one. I'm gonna get that one and then sell this one, and this one needs to know that it's getting out. But you're not gonna live in the street because you found it.
No, but my point is that don't get stuck because of your limited choices, because it was the only choice. But now when there are two choices now,
it's
you want to bargain for yourself.
Yabona ndifuna uzana kula point ithi abantwana mana 18 16 mhlawumbe to meeting a mistake. This is very relevant to what we're talking about. Kana uyazi ndoba amakapa yeza ngoDecember. Yabona you as an individual, I'm targeting, but you know at some degree that okay, I'm gonna wait for in the team, and you know that what you have is not to the same standard that you want to go to. Then then you saw something. Remember me and whatever Patricia, whatever the chick that I've got at that present moment, we had an agreement, even if it was not verbal, but it was emotional agreement that this is my person. You understand?
Yeah.
So now I'm breaking that agreement. You understand? When I've already said yes there, okay, I know that I'm going to say yes. This person needs to know. If that person doesn't know, I am the wrong person.
All right.
And I'll be even sure. Okay. So I'm concluding by saying, when the Kappa fellows come, if you happen to jump from whatever you have to the Kappa, before the Kappa comes in, because the Kappa is not forcing. The Kappa asked and demonstrated that I'm the right person. Before you indulge that kind of thing, you are the wrong one. You are only right if the one that's here knows that he's not the right person. Or you are telling him, Puti, I need to go and try those waters. You understand? Or I need to go there. Or at a point before it because 30 minutes more, 31 minutes, 31 minute, whatever the thing is. Kana ungusisi ulikapa ufika emakhaya. Most yabo, they don't actually go for the guys that do not have money. Yeah, so they actually gain while the guys are spending. That is why when to all aligned about, even though it's female and female, but those ones abasuke kapa, they check mhlawumbe umzito shiko back. Okanye umahlalela mhlawumbe uyitishala or indondoni, but somebody who got assets. And at that time, they first make sure that they've got a ticket to go back to Cape Town, and then they've saved enough money for Mbane, Cape Town, and everything from this person before they do all these things. So the guys at home, when the Kappa lady goes, their bank account is on a lower number.
I see that inequality, but you know what we are failing to pinpoint is the fact that we are dimming, or we are too quiet about the fact that it's possible to have a relationship with the Kappa that is lasting. Sabonana go June do.
It's
after June, sapena sabonana go December, sapena buyeni, sabonana go June. Okanye we keep
talking
with that person.
Wonderful. I problem yam so leyo into it's effect. It doesn't have to be a Kappa and it can be anyone.
Okay.
The problem yam upon the Fumi corner is that when you know that you've got these two people, make sure that these two people know that there's another one existing.
No. Ulikapa but nolali wakho amajita sekapa bizwe nolali kamanje.
Yes,
nolali wakho unachira
P abekapa ndithi kaloku la mjita wakho lese usinazo makayazi ngoba la mfana makayazi usinazo nomjito sekapa njengoba nami ndikhona. But the problem ifika ku point where usinazo denying that he was a fair and Cape Town. Because this one is he's taking decisions inside his head. He's making a lot of resources. He's spending a lot of his time in other things, which he should be spent. Maybe there's a snazzo number 2 that he sees, but he prefers this one.
Ikhona isifeyila kuyota bro. Sifeyile ku understand iseni abahlali ubangaba. Ikhona bekuthiwa kubambisa. Amachera ayenza lanto. Ukuthi hayi ngibambisile nje kulungu na.
Because anando
kuthiwe naye. Sometimes usinvestile ususana bangaba no. Mna apha ndiphelela ndiphelela unofanayo lo ngapha. Uqonda ngaba wena ulapha nje kuba
yilanto ke ngoku etamzo ndithi it doesn't matter in a relationship noba yasekapa noba yapi na. It's important that the person that is next to you knows your intentions. The only problem about amakapa athandicatshukela is because yes ndilibhaca so kukho laa mntu awudukela unjambas abantu bakuthi ndifunisa lapho into ba babekade bejiva too much
uthi abezingombe sifuba ngokuba dudelwe ngujamba
uzokesho ukuthi umjuni wayeza wene event that only the unmarried females could come and attend and watch while they are dancing.
Okay.
But of course ngabizwa umdance kodwa umdudo uyawazi ukuthi ngamaXhosa. Then ke ngoku abanye qoma yo ngoJune uthi manje ufuna ngithatha ngoku ngoJune amabhatsa azaphinda ajive pha andizivumeleka ba athi akame kancane lanto ke ngophela umdudo lamajambasi. You understand? So xana uhleli pha emakhaya uzazi into kokubana ba this person is not my person. Rather tell this person now. Because that person when the investments, emotional investments and intelligent investments and many other but even that also plays a big role.
Yeah.
Then
time stage.
Yes, of course, in the near future. But you can see where this person is going to. Where the problem comes in, it's very less on males, but it's very big on females. Is that when there's something to gain, they keep quiet about the intentions, especially if they are negative towards that person, until they see that the reservoir is drying low. Then they start showing it.
Okay.
Then when the reservoir is dry, that person now resorts to violence most of the time. Violence. Then we talk about gender-based violence. You understand? Because of that.
No, Tapro.
So I would defend them.
Here's the thing. Yes, I would defend more than and ungawakati that.
Yes.
Both you're silent on highlighting another part.
Yeah.
I always like to look at these other avenues that esingaziveleliyo. Life versus lalini is we all know it's slow.
Yes.
And then it doesn't have much opportunities. So when amakapa afika apromise noni athathe CV zabantu athini and then so ufuna wena usinazo a forfeit a chance yakhe of a window to a better life that is being promised by uTapro. Ngoba ngaba uzukusani uzabe sokulisana nozukusani of which bazastaka up. So ikhona naleyo iaspect ba mhlambi umuntu nje ba ethambile kwelikapa uthambile into ba ujonge
not love but yes the hope. Yes.
And then having said that, I want to tell a story. I once went to a Hofmeyer with a friend Yamuluzuko elalini yakhe this 1 year. So it was fun. And then we probably see December, but you know what happened there? Girls, yeah,
the atmosphere changes.
No,
the mind changes.
No, bayafika kwendawo usela kuyo kundawo kuthiwa kuse tavern pha ekusela kuyo xa befika phayana if umuntu ufike bavile baba kukho amakapa afikileyo. Girls, they go out bayofaka i-makeup bathini babe bahle
to upgrade themselves, transformation. Yes.
Kufika kwetavern ubone i-route zichokana kuzanywa uimpresswa amakapa and njengoba impresswa nje lamakapa nawo lamakapa ayazichoosela. So xa uchoosiwe as a local, it's like you want something. This is a big achievement for her. Even though they don't want to put this lens of saying this is a temporary thing.
That they don't want to
be careful. Don't invest your emotions.
But
they want that
moment.
That moment of having that fun. That's what I noticed there. Girls throwing themselves. And I'm like, I don't understand this. Are they throwing themselves for utywala? It's fine. Now utywala.
Yeah, but still.
But unfully do zawusondela because utywala bukhona. Concentrate but no man, this is not about
this is beyond this.
This is beyond John. But sometimes it's a lobby for a new opportunity for to get out of. Maybe there's a promise that you might take her out of that life. Unezo fantasy. I want one day banekapa mhlambi sawuncokola
okanye nami lebana nindimele airtime. Not that I shall look I want to come to Cape Town, like those small benefits.
Those small benefits.
Ndiyakuva xhego ne but masivale ngohlobo sithi kwakwala micala. Yes, amakapa yeza ngoDecember. In fact, yes, the relationship is permanent and good in Eastern Cape as gonna be dented because of amakapa fiki.
Yeah.
But those that will be dented are those that already got a crack.
No,
it might be invisible crack.
Not necessarily.
No. When I'm saying a crack is because this person is not happy with this life, but he's not voicing it out. So when an opportunity comes, they jump for that first opportunity.
No,
without assessing.
So you are ruling out that there may be genuine love. that come from a local and a nekapa.
Alikho.
Like ikapa limthanda lo mntana nyani qomba you had this one ndimthanda naye lo mntana qomba ndiyalithanda ikapa ndixolela umshiyala zukusana. So you are ruling that out.
Ndifuna ukuthi at some degree yes, but not all the way, but at some degree yes, because of
it's risky, but
yes.
it doesn't mean that it's not possible.
It is possible. However, when they meet there as Ikapa Nolali at that time, I very much doubt that it is love. It's it's lust over love, and then love grows. But yes, there are incidents. Out of 10 chances is that yes, 2% is real love from first sight and all the way up. But you are running a risk of losing imbo yako ngopoya. And looking at the history, these makapas are not coming for the first time this year. They were there in 2023, on 2022, and all this time. Based on the history of what you have seen, what damage have they done? They've done more damage than good. Those kind of relationships are set up.
Look. You are likely there to be missing, to be making a fallacy of saying that amakapa are irresponsible. Remember, remember that person is there for a short space of time, and it distance. Even if maybe we in a good relationship, once in far apart, it distance tends to fade things. To fade things. Okanye yenze izinto zikripe in between the two of you.
Yes.
So I'm trying to get away from this argument of saying amakapa. They just all they are coming to do is to just ravage. But life circumstances, they don't. The risk is on the person ozabe thandana nelikapa abe elazi bangaba alizuba lapha
before this December 2024 you take a kapa. Look at the history in your village. How many?
It's the distance.
Ndiyayiva point yakho because kuyenzeka into ba kwaekapa eli xa lisuka apha lishiya umuntu endlini libheke eEastern Cape.
Yeah.
So that's another scenario.
Correct.
Kuyenzeka into ba ikapa njengoba bebheka eEastern Cape alinayo kwa intombazana labekapa belisishuma ngaseEastern Cape. But now because libuyele emakhaya kukhona into epokothweni, then this person is getting a female.
Sure.
So there's a lot of different circumstances are behind the actual point libayenzayo now. But apho ndiyakhona ndithi before they get to that point, okanye wena as unolali you involve yourself with ikapa whether male or female. Khawuzinike just 30 seconds and think ngo-2000 bekusenzeka ntoni apha elalini ngoba efika amakapa and what damage they do. I'm sure there's another good one. And then komunye abalandelayo, then see on that database what are the chances of your one being genuine. I'm not saying they are not genuine. So that the
point, no, the wrong words are genuine. That's just the wrong word. But you are involving in something that has a high risk, high failure rate.
That's what I'm saying.
So don't say genuineness of the
maybe it's just a wrong word. But what I'm trying to say is that if pa emakhaya ukhona oqala ngehelicopter ajump ngehelicopter ngako parachute olenda phansi angenzakali aphinda ngenzakala mhlawumbe 5 years kunyaka we6 enzakala, it means that now ukulalali you can jump and not die. There's high chances. Xa ulapha ekapa, every time somebody jumps off the helicopter they die. Every time they jump off the helicopter they die. After the 5th time somebody jumps off the helicopter they don't die. The high chances are uzokwenzakala apha. So ndiya point 8 ke ngoku amakapa qoqa efika kwafika mhlawumbe ngeteksi. Kula taxi, out of those 15 people on the taxi, one has a relationship that continues, whether it becomes to the marriage level, or whether it becomes a solid relationship, or whether it becomes to a point where that person actually gets a job. You understand? Whatever the outcomes. But most of them, it's heartbreaks. Sometimes not from the person that came from Cape Town, but from the person you have, or many other aspects around that particular relationship. So because it's so temporal, why can't you see the gap and say we'll talk about this thing in January because now it's a focus on January because your brother came back or your sister or whatever it is? Because what's the rush for that 2 weeks? That's what I'm trying to say. But you're looking for genuine thing. Umuntu owinayo kwezinto zamakapa umuntu oye eyazi ngoba I'm just there for that moment. I'm taking advantage of the moment. That person wins 90% of the times. Because when the breakup comes, when that person is to go, it was just for this moment. Because my main person, whether female or male, so I was just doing this temporarily. So that person isn't lost. But low back ekapa uyalose and xa fika baza kubona izinto ephone axoxa pha Cape Town I lose. So most of the times there's actually bad results I'm not saying there's no
I
good
got you. I
results.
got you. I think a lot of times over the years, as much as let's say it, let's mention it. Over the years, globally new Cape Town, Eastern Cape, some of Amakapa, they've taken diseases back to Eslali.
Yes.
And then usnazo catch something from umzo, and then
okay. And siqalisa ublame uZukusana angayichazi.
Uyojibeka uZukusana ngento. So that's another side that I don't want us to turn a blind eye on.
Okay.
As that, be that as it mentioned, just one point that we need to see vele. Amajita to amanye amajita when it comes to Amakapa.
Okay.
In terms of relationship. Because amajita our tandi Amakapa. Amajita But I think largely it's because of because of girlfriends or indlela aziphatha ngayo Amakapa njengathandwa ngabantu.
So the yes on both zazo.
Okay.
One, umjita osuka eKapa xa efika emakhaya emaXhoseni. Uyathanda anothi bonke. Uyathanda uzibona ngathi is in a better advantage or better zone than amajita lapha elalini la khule nawo.
Isn't that the case?
Yes or no? Okay. Because according to my understanding, if mna ndihlala nawe but I happen to inherit or learn something new, I don't see myself as a better person, but I see myself as a person that can teach you to go to the next level.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So I don't take advantage that you do not know. Because next day is about goals or maybe London. Then you come back and teach me about London life. Whatever I've experienced in Mozambique. You understand? So for me, it's different. However, yes, you are better because now you've seen more.
Okay.
Yeah, understand? But what you do with that information of seeing more when you come to these people, sometimes you already know that this person has been in better places. Umzekelo eCuwa apha ndikhulele khona ibikade ngekho mall for years. You understand? So umuntu okhulele eCuwa ngaphuma eCuwa, they don't know what a mall is. Ne? Then when this guy comes from Cape Town, after 100 years, Grenade House, whatever, then a mall, there's this thing called escalators. You're not presenting where you come from, the new lifestyle in a positive note. You are actually, there's a that you're dissing the other people that they don't know. You're not showing them that there's a bigger place than a shopping center. There's something called a mall. There's a bigger way of getting upstairs instead of you get steps, you get the lift, whatever it is. There's something called escalators and many other things. You're not teaching them. You are being oppressor with your information. Yes. So yes, amajita wasemakhaya awawathandi Amakapa because of that attitude.
Okay.
That's number one. Two, masize kule point into yoba when we have to perform certain tasks, masithi indodana okanye umfana okanye whatever lonke elalini yakho okanye ulixhego sometimes because khona amaxhego kanjalo. Because it's so Cape Town. There are certain duties that needs to be done on a certain ceremony by X amount of group of people. We already know those things. And wonke umuntu ukhulela bakhayikhulele ezazi zonto ezo. But now xa kufuneka kwenziwe into kuthiwa sicela abafana ngapha bathi asiziqhela ngezonto lothi siqhela catering. You understand? The way you're presenting that you're not used to this now because you're used to it. You know it. But now you've learned something new that as Nwabe now you can have a catering company that just come and stands there and deliver food or dish food for people and then you don't need bafanas to come and do this thing. Yes. The problem is like again, you've learned or inherited a new lifestyle. You already got the old one. So you are because you still know this one. It's not like you don't know. You know this one, but now you've got more information now that you accepted the new lifestyle as your main lifestyle now. You no longer like this.
Yeah.
But it doesn't mean that the people that are living this lifestyle has to force themselves to come to this one. You can just educate them. So that is why amajita asemakhaya engawafuni Amakapa at some degree.
Okay. All right. Ladies, can go and ladies, do they like each other?
Again, they hate to like. They love to hate them. That's when they in this angle. Most female, yes, but a female likes you're beautiful or you've got your nice hair, whatever it is. The Kapa females, they come with all those hippie-jippies, all those jingle bells.
Wings.
Yes.
Wings.
Here's a problem, Kevuko. Xa efika pha uyamazi ba umzo uthandana noPinki. Xa efika unoPinki ezokrwatsa umzo uyafika yena ngapha uyodominator. Uyazazi akamfuni umzo, that's the first thing. But uzo drive attention because umzo uyazi naye akamfuni lo sisi. Qha into nayo umzo uyazazi bafuta akanofikelela manditsho. This chick is on the last level. But this one is here to dominate, to make that one feel bad. Because most of the times, which is ndiyayicaphukela kwi-females, but yenzeka i-female ezininzi zifeela good xana the other females around them are oppressed by her. Yes, when she feels like she can say something they can't say. Umzekelo, if onke amantombazana aselalena Samsung S something. Uba une-iPhone 5S, 5 or iPhone 15, every time kuthethwa ngale phone uqabule iPhone for no reason, just to dominate the argument that's happening there. Even if sebefota lapha hayi suka into zenazifota. So yes, so i-lifestyle yabo bayitshintsha, right? But they by presenter kubantu ababaziyo in a wrong way, knowing that the way that they're presenting it is wrong. So therefore, osisi basemakhaya nabayawacaphukela amagaba because of that. Ezilalini ufika uyayazi uba kuyangqusha kokwenu bakuyangqusha ukhule ngqusha. Why ngongazukwazi ungqusha? 2, uyazazi benzipho zifakeleyo kokwenu uzawubakho isingcwabo ngolinje ugodu kanje kuzawuhlanje impahla emlanjeni. Why are you putting nails?
No, but the thing is Wayne. Did Wayne was okay. Tapro. We succumb to pressures of the places that we stay at.
Yes.
Sometimes.
No, let's just say to a new lifestyle.
Yeah. You are in that lifestyle of nails and everything and all of that because of where you come from.
Yes.
Even you are bound to know you are bound to know how to do things. It's the lifestyle of Elachana.
Yeah.
So it should, this thing Yamakapa versus Ndondoni, it must not be looked at with a blaming eye, more than recognizing no, you come from a different place. I can even see the way you
which is okay. I like that.
The behavior you're not control over behavior.
Yes. And response to other response to other things.
Exactly. Yes. And response and how you treat other people.
Yes. That you've got control. Yes. Because umzekelo mna ne apho ndikhulele khona elalini ne kwaMthitselane amazida wakhona, and this I've said many times, I always try to blend in and ndicathi ngumkhaya ndikhula nabo songathi ndikhule lokishini no ndikhula nabo elalini. But sometimes when we have to do certain tasks banalani bahamba nolokishi. However, itime must be nemizi ezilalini nemizi edorophini. So xa ndifika eMtubakazi elokishini amazida khona nani ba nginolali. So I actually don't belong even though I belong, if you get what I mean. So but I've never got to a point where can't figure ezilalini I've showed them that I'm not suke kasi can't suke kasi. I always try to find out but now ndilapha what are the tasks ezenziwayo kule ndawo, because ndikhulele elokishini ndiyazazi i-tasks ezenziwayo elokishini ngamazwi aselokishini okanye xa kusenziwayo, especially into edibaniselene nomsebenzi o-serious like izingcwabo, izi-weddings, like into ezenziwayo yeke i-fashion nje just outside, yabo ndiyazazi into ezenziwayo pha. Sebenza xa kufika elalini I know i-duties zam as umjita wasezilalini. So if kuthiwa makwenza into ethile, I'm one of the first or two people, I'm among the first people that will jump up and do that thing without asking, yabo without waiting for the umuntu omdala azongithatha uba hayi nawe ufunda into belong apha, you understand. And irrespect plays a bigger role. You understand? So, thina into esibethayo singabantu abamnyama is that once ufumane information entsha, you already feel like you are better than the people that abangekayifumana information, which at some degree it's okay. But ke ngoku sukufuna bakurespect ngayo ngenkani.
Don't push up. Don't push up. And it would be a failure if we don't mention this in this podcast. It's something that has been lingering on my mind for years. We go here, we live this life that we live in Cape Town, in Joburg, and in all of these workplaces we work at. But what positive change do we live as Lalini, Kasiyile, as people that are living what we see in that better life?
Yes.
And next, sometimes you know that there's a child who needs school fees, what January before we unike someone uthi bengicela uzubhadalele la mntana school fees, bengicela uthi, as opposed to us are going to flash money just to show ukuthi si-10 umzo afike pha yothenga iHennessy ayisele namaxhego, but just to show ukuthi yo Hennessy pha yo. So we need to be responsible. Sonke singamakapa, as much as we're gonna get the hate because somebody else ichomi abekade ehlala naye apha elalini uTapro now ayimoyanga because kufike enye ichomi yayo yaseKapa engumzo ngoku ihamba nami and then what I'm leaving there uProta Pro uzamcakela qonda hayi ubana kasambi namenxela kapa lakhe
Yeah.
and then umka kwami ke ngokuthi hayi ikapa lakho
Yeah, ikapa lakho
Yeah.
enye into mina ndifuna iveza kumakapa males and females again is that elalini yakho njengolapha eKapa nje ngoku ukufutshana nendawo kuthiwa iBellville lapha eCape Town kukhona iclub yebhola yabantwana aba-13 14 okanye iclub yama-netball yamantombazana khakuthi kule mali yakho uninzi before uyoyiflesha uthenga ikiti yabantwana neekoks if uzawukwazi uyophisa ngazo phaa kulaa team yakasezilalini then you flash the money. Then I will say you're my brother.
Yeah.
That's the task. That's what I'm sending this December.
Just imagine if every time December you see something that you want to change to make a positive change on, and then you do that. Every time we go there, there's a positive change. Ilight ethile ikhona into anethwa ngumonde pha kuthiwa iye haya kwi-trials iyodlalela inantsika team ethile
okanye hayi laa mzita wapha next door pha uclever gqithi wayende gqitha kwi-maths e-high school but ngwakaphangeli pha ndiyena xa ndifika qondayo what man i-security 1.5 ndambhatala i-security ngoDisemba wenza i-security and andizumtshaja for that thing umzita yintwana yam asengingqini ndikhule nayo. That's the trend we should be sending.
Siye uthathe imani sithathe i-CV
because abanye bethu and I'm one of those victims abanye bethu do not want to come to Cape Town even when they were younger. They never wanted it, they never dreamed it. But it was presented that in order for you to get this you need to come here. You understand? So not if as Ndobendi's phone were available there I would have chosen staying in Eastern Cape forever. You understand? But we have an choice that the food is on this side.
But it is. Urbanization has put us
makes
where
sense,
we are.
But the problem is that if you don't understand at this point that not all of us want to come to Cape Town.
Yeah.
And if all of us will come to Cape Town, who's going to stay at home? So the same thing I said on so that since the graveyard is Eastern Cape, we just go there to bury people. Says Bushland, just go there to lose someone. Who's supposed to be staying there? Because some of us want to stay there. You understand? So there's no jobs. Go and create a job. There's no money, bring money so that people can stay where they want to.
Yeah.
You understand? Because not all of us like to stay in the shacks. Like you go, flat next door. No, none of us want that kind of life. But the circumstances pushes us to get out of the village and come here. So when I was so laughing, can you take some of the things that you know that if they call up would have came here, take it with and leave it there. Some of the people have the same mind as you. You understand?
And you know the downside of this when I pro the behavior yamakapa is that some people they choose not to go to because can't for the past 2 years
and
andikwazi goduka because ndizawujonga kuzawuthwa you usuke eKapa lo unje
jonga abanye benza njani.
You understand? So it's creating a whole lot of psychological damage that I guess masiyisonge
ngokuthi kuleni episode 1 sikubuze lo mbuzo ngicimisa ukhumbule can rewind the tape. The second one is that we've set out a trend that something that amakapa has to do at home singogqitha amaJoburg and other people but this is a trend esiyenzayo ngoku.
What are you planning to do when do you have any
so far and some of
those things should not benefit you directly
or
any of your immediate family. It should be far away from
yes as far as I know I've covered some of the grounds. Abantu can say that thing but I'm not giving so that I can come and show here that I've given something. I'm not going to take a camera and show this thing. But there are people that can witness that blind but now kuyakhanya. You understand? So xa ufika endingqini yakho uyamazi umuntu onokwazi uyipasa i-security. And only focus on security but the security is only 1,200 or 300 okanye omnye wayesenayo la security but they need a competency certificate that's like 1,000 rands or 800. Take that person, male or female, with no benefits of sleeping with that person, whether it's a male or female. Just help a brother out afumane into so xa uhamba azothi ndancedwa umuntu waseKapa so that sizoduma kahle.
The energy that we receive as amakapa it changes.
It will change.
And coming back to what we were speaking about, you as a ikapa elithile eliqonda ba lenza ishit emzansi apha eCape Town ofika phana instead of just fucking around
facilitating things up
and ube usexercise left right and center phayana just have humanity to think that you could potentially be creating damage to somebody else.
That's another
psychological damage. sometimes and
spiritual damage sometimes.
or sometimes umcingele even alamjita.
Yeah.
Okanye lamjita you don't he doesn't owe you anything but think as a human being we like xa inokwenziwa ndim le nto lena kuthiwa ningawahoya amakapa ayeza amaDubai
yebo
amaDubai ulapha wena ucinezelo lapha kanti kukho eziphambene eDubai ezibuye eDubai senza kakhulu
ngasithi kwalo mali pusha ziveze igqeze ngeLamborghini zakhe yebo phela ifilm. So in other words is singamakapa we need to learn andithi cingela nikapa because sometimes enikapa manje linayo indlela yophila andithi banalo le right but xa ufika ekhayeni make something that another person is going to benefit from yona uhambe ke ngoku ubheke eCape Town uyo speed again nasemakhaya uyafika uqale wenza into something and then you speed ungaqali ngoyoqala eshibhini andithi yenzela kokweni thenga igate kokweni siyazazi ezo zinto sithi nceda another brother okanye another sister at home so that they can also sustain the life at home ngoba abantu bapha emakhaya to be honest they are helping us way big by losing of not coming here because sinendawo yogodukela ngoku sinelali. Imagine if everyone was gone xa ufika phaa engingqini bekuzawukwazi bakho kuhlanda cause inkomo kuthi ezisayi imizi yaqhekezwa kudala ufika ngathi kukwaziwe kudala akho bantu besizabonakalelwa. So aba bantu they playing a bigger security that we cannot pay if they were to charge us. So you need to acknowledge that uthi aba bantu basemakhaya bayandinceda and help at least one person a year.
It could be as something as simple as igambutsi nje
uzophisa
ngazo noma uziphe bani imvula
ayeke emakhaya and abanye abantu bancela fashion igambutsi yabo so buy igambutsi 150 rand 130 rand noma zimbili wantathu uzifake pha ufike emakhaya ujonga umntana oqonda be ingathi zamlingana mfundini baba apha isigambutsi yabona ubeke ifone ecaleni don't take a picture of that just do it
it has pretty content
then ubuza apha kule podcast uzokwenza podcast ngathi ke when content
all right guys, thank you so much. I hope we learned a lot. I think we tried to cover much ground besicimba sayeka a little episode but because there's a lot to cover I think all around it. We are not going to finish all of these thoughts.
Yes.
Now think about them, advise each other.
And tell us what
advise
to
us
say.
also.
Yes. Because that is perfect. Now, and hoping that in abekteteni there's theater with no filter. So sometimes at some point singabe offendile. Sicelela uxolo lonto. Bingezo njongo, but izinjongo zovesi point. You understand?
My last words is that nilumkele pha enansikene Beaufort West kwezazitopo pha siyakwazi uthenga iTipas cinga sithenga iViceroy so nilumkele nale
uthenga backup kodwa nakho ikhona uthenga emakhaya not somewhere halfway
pha eBeaufort West
mina ke ngisamile apha elikweni madoda ngifuna nje ukukhumbuza nje into eyi-1 nto ubani ba ndifuna ukukhumbuza into eyi-1 ba xa uye emakhaya sicela licime madoda ngose-early nisela amayeza wenu nizenze nibe right kunintsi ukutya emakhaya asifuni into zomntu akaphangeli ngoJanuwari siyayininda la mali apha emakhaya yaqona igadi izawufuna ulinywa nangoJanuwari njengoba nizawufika nifuna umbona nilapha so nithowe imali tractor ningene egadini so nizicime kwangose-early yaqona awugqiba wenze sure uba kukho umntu omthandileyo apha emakhaya nothi ngolaa hlobo lothanda kwesithetha ngalo apha like umntu omenzele into ozawumane siyefowuni kapa nti hey bhuti wandinceda okanye sisi yaqona nako life esikufunayo.
All right, peace.
Amen.
Thank you guys. See you next time in the next episode. Ningalibali nge1 kaDisemba ezibechilo uTaprong. We do this. Yebo. Shasha.
Yakumahlalela sofika makapa. Ngamingo khetha sofika makapa. Yakumahlalela